We have an incoming thunderstorm coming from that direction. It's awfully dark over that way. Not too active right now, but it could act up a little bit more. And we might even get some rain out of it. It was bright and sunny earlier. We have some blue sky out that direction yet. But as you can see from some of the clouds here, it's not all that thick of a cloud cover. We got blue sky right in behind those trees. I might just give you a little more video later on if it does pick up. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.